What's up, traders? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your training coach. I'll be doing a complete multi-time frame analysis of all the hottest currency pairs that giving us trading opportunity now, and also possible trading opportunity will be advised from this live session. And as you know that today is weekend. The weekend is always a good time to secure some profit. So if you are with us in this live session, make sure you first of all smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. I would suggest you to stick till the end, as you know that in most of the time we see trading opportunity at the end of the session, and throughout the session we'll discuss many things including trading psychology, technical analysis. In the meantime, if we see any trading opportunity, we'll advise us straight away. And just now there will be news release on Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar and gold is going to be hot now. We'll see how we can trade. As you have seen, Aussie dollar giving us really good trading opportunity, including AUD and ZD, as you have seen in the yesterday's live session. When I was doing this live session, we took a trade and that has given us full profit, AUD and ZD. And also you can remember that dollar yen trade that we were running during the live session also has given us full profit early today. So everything is going right. As you see that gold now is going according to the analysis, creating a bearish candle. Let's see how it is doing. Gold is doing a very incredible price action, bearish price action. So let's see, if you want to trade any of these or all of them, make sure, as I told you, stick till the end. And also you can write your request on the chat section. You can write what you want me to cover. I'll try to answer as many questions as possible. At the same time, I would request you to be a bit patient, and also use the free Telegram channel link in the description to join free Telegram channel for all the updates from this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So before I begin analysis and finding the trading opportunity, let me see what you guys and girls are up to in the chat section. I see that really good of you, Ramzan Aslam, sir. Gbpusd, yep, we'll look at it. Varun, hi sir, many times I asked you Gbpusd, but I never get correct information from you, sir. At least teach me today Gbpusd, how it will affect by US news. Okay, Varun asked a question. I see that, can you guys see any kind of, can you guys see the screen properly? I see that in my screen it looks a little bit of gray. So can you let me know that if you guys and girls can see me clearly on the screen? So let me know, then I will progress further. Hopefully that everybody can see me. Otherwise I would see in the chat section that I'm not seen properly. Chiditu, good PM sir. Okay, so let me see. Kakulan says hi. Shihana Samad, Gbpusd please. Varun, please, requesting you to teach me, sir. Okay, so okay, very good. So let's start with Gbpusd. Very good, very well. Gbpusd, Varun asked that, okay, how it will impact the US news, Gbpusd. Okay, the Gbpusd news release impact is when dollar get stronger, Gbpusd drops. Okay, that is the only thing that you can say. So to understand how GBP will move, you can look at the DXY, okay, dollar index. So where is dollar index? Let's say normally euro dollar, Gbpusd, all these pairs are directly related to dollar index. Okay, so the question was the US news, how it impacts Gbpusd. So normally, to be honest, never think of how news will impact the Gbpusd. If you are trading on the lower time frame, I will tell you, do not trade at least half an hour, 30 minutes before and after news release, and that's it. Because I have a separate strategy on news trading, but it's a different story. If you don't have a news trading strategy, then I'll tell you that don't worry about news release. Okay, don't worry at all. Let the news released and then use the price action for trading. So what do I mean by this? Let's say you saw this candle here. Okay, you saw, let's say for example, this candle. After this green candle, you know that in the next session there will be news. Okay, then either close your trade or move stop loss or whatever you can do manage the trade. And after the news release, you found this candle, okay, bearish engulfer. Now you can trade it. Okay, the news has given you a completely bearish engulfer, so that can be traded regardless of what is the result of news. In my long experience, what I have found that news doesn't create any trend change. News doesn't create any reversal unless a very unusual circumstances. What news does is it creates a fake move, or it will give you a false breakout, and then it will give you a direction in the market. Let me give you some good examples so that you understand what I mean by this. Okay, I really follow a lot of USD CAD news release trade. The reason is USD and CAD news always release together, so it gives really some good trading opportunity. Okay, let me show you a couple of trades that I really profitably close during the news release. Okay, then you'll understand what I mean by this. Okay, so this one, look at this. See, this day, without looking at, I know exactly when this news release, what happened. Okay, this candle, you see, this one formed in NFP. Okay, in a day of NFP, non-farm payroll. Now, if you see this candle without news release, okay, if you see this candle without news release, anyone can tell that it's a strong bullish candle, right? No doubt about it. The trend is up, okay, and this is a shooting star formed in a level of support. It's a nice level of support. So it's a shooting star on a level of support in the direction of the trend bullish candle. So this candle formed just after the news release session. So there is a news in this candle. Okay, so that has given me a strong confluence for going long. Okay, now look at this. That is what it is. Okay, so when you see news release, then wait for the news to be released and wait for a price action confirmation like the one gold is giving now. You see, gold is now trying to create a bearish engulfer, and we could see possibly a bigger drop now on gold. I think that gold might drop a lot. The way the price action is formed is for dropping. You see, there is a double top formation on gold, okay, with a lower high on the right side and also series of lower high, back to back 3 times manipulation, 1 2 3. Okay, so quite a few confluence for gold to be bearish. If you look at the weekly time frame, what you see that there is a weekly bearish engulfer, and this bearish engulfer formed in a very important level of resistance. If you look at the past, there is a weekly resistance here, there is a weekly resistance here, and on the top of this resistance, what you saw that the price has created a bearish engulfer. Now after this bearish engulfer, we saw significant retracement, slower consolidation and deceleration on the lower time frame. Now we can expect gold to continue to drop. Okay, so that is what I can say about gold. It's now creating a nice bearish price action, guys. This is a strongly bearish price action. Looks like that gold will melt to the downside. So let's see what happened. Now in the meantime, let me see what you guys and girls are up to. I see a big many of you have joined. Awesome, thank you for joining this live trading session. Helen says hello sir. Helen, I trust you are doing well. Thank you Helen, I'm doing well, very very well, thank you. Yen, you hello sir, looking forward to the live session, thank you. Mayanak, hello sir. Mary, good evening sir. Do you also give signals on your VIP students if there is a reversal in the market? Mary, as soon as I find opportunity, I send to the VIP members, I send to my students. Either most of the time, most of the trade does very very well in our VIP team. Look at this one. Today I posted Euro and ZD after AUD and ZD hit profit target. This one we opened Euro and ZD. Look at this, it's creating a bearish engulfer, and I'm sure that it's 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio trade on Euro and ZD. So let me show you the trade that I have sent to our members today. This is the trade signal. Look at this. We have sold at 1.6736 exactly in this point. Stop loss here, take profit. Now almost more than 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio already achieved, and I sincerely believe that Euro and ZD will continue to drop. This is Forex Wizard. Smash the like button. You saw that for the couple of sessions what happened. AUD CAD, AUD and ZD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, all the trades came out very well in the live session as well as in the VIP team. Now if you want to receive customized trade signal rather than losing money, I'll suggest you to join our VIP team. You can see the real result with real proof, and also you learn my strategies. If you join lifetime access, it's ending soon, the discount. You learn my strategies for the rest of the life. One-off payment, very little payment I have put in comparison with the value it brings to you. You see that most traders lose money, I know, but see, when it comes to self-development, I also hesitated when I started my trading. After losing a lot of money, then I realized that okay, I need a mentor. And then I approached an online. First, trust me, I'm in Australia, okay? I spent around 16,000 US dollar, okay, for nothing. When you see a big office, there's big things saying advertisement, a lot of things, basically they will just give you nothing. I spent 16,000 US dollar for 3 days workshop in Australia when I started trading, and they taught me how to trade a pin bar. They said that okay, if you see a pin bar at the top, sell it. That's it, okay? So but what I teach is the real strategy. You see Euro and ZD, when this green candle formed, okay, I know that this price will drop. I have a completely dedicated strategy to trade this kind of candlestick, okay? They are delivered in video format. If you want to learn that, then I'll suggest you to go to the description area, go to my website, visit the website. You don't have to join. See the results, everything, reviews, and then you can decide. So that is with Euro and ZD. Let's see. I'm sure that this trade will work out well. Look at this. Let me see what you guys and girls are thinking about now in the meantime. So guys, in the meantime, I see that my screen became gray. I don't know. Anyway, if you guys can see, then sometimes weird things happen. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. That really helps me to reach more people. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Boomaya, hi sir, Rizban, take your key. Can I trade with a small amount in big time frame like 1 hour, 4 hour? And any price retest to the support zone? TQWiki said, yeah, of course you can trade, TQWiki. With a smaller account in any time frame you can trade. That's completely okay, you can trade. Madhu said, good evening sir, thank you. Shafi Alam, a market is so confused. Yeah, sometimes market confused. You have to be patient. That is the biggest challenge for a trader, is to be patient. Mikey Chai, hi coach, I'm from South Africa, VIP member. Your work is amazing. Mikey is our VIP members. He is from South Africa. He is our VIP members. He appreciate our work. See, in trading world, very few channel you will find that VIP members directly appreciate. I love my VIP members. They love me. I love them because they really keep the channel alive. And not only VIP members, I love every one of you. Okay, every one of you that is putting value in this channel. Thank you for this. I really love you, because that's why I'm here, guys. You know, this is in Sydney. It's now 9:45 p.m. and I will spend whole night sleepless, because in Sydney trading time is in the night. So but I enjoy, I enjoy even time, how the time goes. I even can't remember how the time goes. The reason is because I love trading and I love trader. See, before coming to these businesses, I told you I have gone through a deep depression and awakening, you can say. And in that awakening, I realized that actually until you do what you love to do, you will never ever reach a state of peace in your life. Keep in mind, because the peace come in heart from when you create a peace for other. Okay, and from that place I realized that I found this passion as a trader. And trust me, no one in my family, in my friend circle, anywhere, no one is trader. I became a trader because something deep within me directed me to become a trader after this awakening. As I told you, I was depressed. I have shown you that day, let me show you again. It will help you. If you have seen already, that's fine, but let me show you something, because I feel good to show you, because that really I think that at least one people get inspired by me, that my really it's my what I can say, that my worth, that I can motivate or inspire one people. Okay, in 2004, back in that time when I was not trading, I was depressed. Okay, I have gone through 7 months long depression. You see, this is my body weight. I went to the doctor, they gave me medication, and they said that I have to eat this medication for the rest of my life, and I have to only sleep and sleep. I can't do anything else. Okay, so they medically they said that I'm done. Okay, I'm done for the life. I will eat, sleep, like that. Okay, and from that medication, I was slim before. Okay, I can't show these people's face because it's I was slim before, and taking medication, and I went to a big body weight, more than this. And something guided inside me. I started meditation, and that meditation, after doing 1 year continuous meditation, there's one night I had a spark inside me. I had that awakening, and from that time, from the same day of awakening, in 7 months I ran. This is, you see, this badge is from Sydney Blackmore Running Festival. Let me show you. It's in Sydney Blackmore Bridge Run. Okay, in Sydney. So and after that I changed my whole life. I found my passion. Suddenly I saw an advertisement. I feel like it drawn me. Okay, it take me to the point where I have to embark the journey. So, and then the peace came in my life. So the reason I am telling all this story is because whatever you are doing, okay, do it as a passion. Okay, when you find it as a passion, then only you can achieve outstanding result in life. Keep in mind, the passion is the main thing. So grandson said hello, hope you are fine, my mentor. Thank you, grandson. Fahad Aziz, good evening, sir. Abidu ji, Gurudeep Singh, good evening, sir. Gurudeep Chiditto, hello, sir. Good afternoon. How are you doing today? I'm good. So I see quite a few requests. It's a big list. Coinboro, after a long time. Thank you, Coinboro. Chiditto, sir. GBP, JPY. So let's look at some of the pairs now, what they are doing, AUD and ZD. And we see that after 1 hour 50 minutes, 1 hour and 10 minutes, this candle is closing, and we see some movement in Aussie dollar. Looks like that Aussie dollar again trying to go down. Let's find out what's happened. Aussie yen, AUD CAD, okay, AUD CHF looks like that getting bearish. So gold, okay, so we want the gold to give us a bearish engulfer, and then we can see how the price action is forming. So let me know what you guys and girls are up to. Qasim Raza said, hello sir, your VIP members made good profit yesterday from dollar yen. Thank you, Qasim Raza. That is the goal of this channel. You see, every moment when I take an action towards my VIP members, towards my channel, towards my academy, I first think that is it beneficial for my members or no? Is it beneficial to my member, greater benefit? If I see that action, only I take, otherwise I don't take. Okay, see, I sometimes lose trade. I'm not saying that I'm 100% winning rate. Sometimes I lose trade, but most of the time we win, and with a high risk to reward ratio most of the time. Okay, so that is, no one can give you 100% time of the time winning rate. Okay, if you think that, let's say, okay, you lost money tonight, now you need to recover it. Let's say you lost 50,000, 100,000, 2,000, whatever. Now you want to join my channel to recover it, and then I will give you a trade. You take a big risk. I will suggest you please don't join. Okay, if you really want to make money with a proper risk management, then only you join. Okay, even if I give you winning trade, if you don't manage the risk all the time, if I give you winning rate, you lose money. That is the paradox of trading. I'm telling you again, I give you winning trade, but you lose money if you don't know how to manage your risk, if you don't know how to calculate the lot size. Now, before I progress further, let me show you how to calculate the lot size. Is very, very important. Let me show you. See, if you have a risk manager tool in your MT4, that's awesome. If you don't have risk manager, then do this. Okay, go to this website called myfxbook.com. It's a free website. Okay, go to this website, go to this called position size calculator. Click that position size calculator, and then how do you do that? Let me show you. Let's say example Aussie dollar. Let's, as an example, Aussie dollar, you wanna go short. Okay, now how do you do that? Short Aussie dollar, let's say from here, it's an example. Okay, don't sell Aussie dollar right now. Stop loss above this high. Let's say you wanna take 1 to 3 risks to reward ratio trade. Now how do you calculate how much lot size you need to sell on this instrument? To do that, first of all, find out how many pips you are risking in this single trade. Take your scale or whatever, just measure it, how many pips. So we are risking, let's say 19 pip on this trade. Now go there. Okay, it's a free website. So find out for which currency pair you are trading. Go to Aussie dollar, AUD, USD, AUD, USD. I think it should be at the top. Okay, AUD CAD at the top. Okay, so Aussie dollar. Now your account currency, let's say your account currency is USD. Take it USD. Now account size. What account size you have depending on you. Assume that you have a $3,000 or $300, $30 account, doesn't matter. Put the account size and then now risk ratio. Okay, how much percentage of risk you want to take of your account. Let's say 1% normally, as usual that I do, or swap by money. You can, there is a apps version also available for this one. Swap with money. Okay, so let's say you want to risk $30. I prefer money rather than percentage. So and then a stop loss pip. How many pip? 19 pip stop loss. Okay, now calculate. It will take you less than a minute to manage the risk. Now it is saying that you need to sell 0.16 lot and now sell 0.16 lot. Okay, sell 0.16 lot Aussie dollar and that's it. You are done. Place the stop loss, sell over 0.16 and then take your place your take profit, and then you can easily trade everything you want. Okay, so that is how you become profitable, trade. Simple. Okay guys, hopefully that you understood it. Now let me see. Yakub Hashmi said, I am a BIP member. Yakub Sakib says, I am a BIP member. I am here to recover all the money I have lost, and I trust I can do it with Forex Wizard. Yes, Yakub, he is our VIP lifetime member. Okay, and I'm sure that you will be able to recover, Yakub. But only thing I would request you, please don't take a big risk on a single trade. Sometime, if in case we have a losing trade, be patient. Next trade, manage the risk. But you saw that most of the trade we are winning. That is awesome. Okay, but never double up. You saw that Forex Wizard giving good trading signal, winning trade. So don't never ever risk big. Okay, that is my request. I'm sure that you will be able to recover your losses. I know that everyone wants to recover loss. I was in your position. Okay, I blown out $90,000 account in a single night. Okay, trust me. So it's okay. Okay, that's how trade. This is a journey of a trader. You lose money not because you don't know the trading, but because it's a way of trading. Okay, I told you many times these things. Let me tell you again. You see this Thomas Edison, many famous people, all the people in any area, those who become successful, they need to go through challenges. That's the universe works that way. Universe will not give you anything directly without testing you. Testing means universe will test you. Are you that you are looking for? The question universe asks you that. Okay, you want to be trader, you want to make money, are you worthy of it? Let me test you. Okay, so test, you need to go through the test and then you can become consistently profitable trader. So the thing is that you need to manage the risk. Okay, you definitely will be able to recover your money. See, trust me, when I started trading, I didn't understand anything of this. Any of this I didn't understand. Trust me, how this market work, what is this candle, which way direction of the trend, why this is long wick candle, why this and that. But over time, you don't need to analyze anything. Just give yourself some time, and I'm sure that it is easy. It will become easy. When you look at the chart, you know that it's going down. See, if I look at chart, let's say I look at gold now. Okay, it's bearish. I look at British pound US dollar, it's sideways. I don't need much time. I look at Aussie dollar, it's currently sideways. You know, Euro CHF bearish. You see, strongly bearish. So I know whenever I see a candle, I know that it's going. So you need to give yourself some time so that you can understand that. Okay, so let me see what you guys and girls are up to. Can we get back to trade, sir? Prakhar is yeah, we get back to how many peeps this week so far. Kushi Pereira, quite a few peeps. Let me show you this week's trade quickly, and then I will get back to trading, guys. Don't feel boring. Traders need to be patient, okay? Then you can become profitable. Okay, let me quickly tell you, because everyone may not be interested about it. I need to give everyone an analysis. So let me give you quickly this week's trading, starting with AUD CAD winning 1 to 3 risk to reward. AUD and ZD back to back 2 trades winning. Okay, then again NZD CAD winning. Okay, we have won. GBP USD, yeah, we have won. GBP USD secured profit. NZD, AUD NZD 3 trades we secured profit. Dollar yen profit. GBP JPY loss. That is okay. Now AUD USD couple of pips drawdown. Euro NZD now running in profit. AUD NZD close to it profit. Yeah, so that is, so that weeks is awesome. Now let me give you some analysis. I know that you guys and girls are looking for some direction you need to trade. And okay, GBP JPY. Okay, let's look at what's happening with GBP JPY. We'll analyze now GBP JPY. We'll post-mortem it. Let's see if there is any trading opportunity on GBP JPY. Kabir Abela says, I make 1200 for 3 days for your analysis. Thank you, Kabir. Awesome. Very good. Very good. Good to hear. Okay, looks like that GBP JPY. Let me see what's happening. This is weekend, and we could see what's happening. GBP JPY. Okay, this is the monthly candle. Over the long term, GBP JPY is bullish. Okay, this is the monthly, and next week is the last week of the month. So let me see what's happening on the lower time frame. Weekly, this is the weekly candle. Looks like that GBP JPY slowly will come down further. Okay, it's a long-term bullish market, but if you look at the lower time frame, we could see some slowing down. Now this is the daily. After the 2 days drop, we saw now the price is little bit pushing high. Let me see on the 4 hour now. Okay, so this is what the crucial part now. I think that GBP JPY will drop. Okay, you see that first of all, this is weekend. Timing is also very important. Keep in mind. So this 4 hour candle is forming in the weekend, right? So what I think that it might do, the price, you see, the price needs to test this green candle before dropping. That is the key point. Again, I'm drawing this level for GBP JPY. Okay, so let me draw the level. All right. Now, what happened is that the price, first thing, we see a possible double. There is a double top, not possible. There is a double top, and we see a head and shoulder. Okay, and also series of lower high. Now, what I think that on the close of this candle, this current candle, okay, the next one will travel further a little bit up, okay, and then will drop, creating possibly a lower high, a drop. So even it could go up a little bit to test this bottom of this green candle, and that is the hot place for selling GBP JPY. Okay, you see, the reason is, you see, there is a big move happen, except this green candle is giving us a possible resistance for GBP JPY, and with that in mind, this zone, this support is still not fully tested as resistance. But the risk is that if you, let's say, if you say that, okay, I want to sell from here only, then the price even may not reach there, even started to move down. So the best way for me now is still 55 minutes to go to close this candle. But what I think that Gbpusd will do something like that. If this one closes, I think it will close as a doji probably, and the next one will go up probably around, let's say, 50% of the doji, and then will come down. Okay, so that could be the situation with Gbpusd. Let's see what happened. Okay, we'll look at with the progression of this session, and then I'll discuss you. Let's see what happened, what you guys and girls are up to. Good evening, sir. Mayanak, oh, very good. Chidittu, I can see you. Awesome. I love the way you explain. Thank you, Shafi Ahmed. I also love you guys and girls appreciating this analysis, supporting this channel. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. There's a lot of value in this channel. I'm sure that if you manage your risk, then you'll never be any kind of in trouble from this channel. And also there is a lot of educational content I post every day. You saw that. If you're new, don't miss the opportunity to smash the like button and also subscribing to the channel. I can see, okay, oh, Gbpusd, sir. Let me see. Hi, Wizard. Babak says, Alzaf, good evening. Bada, today, Gbpusd reduce. Hi, Wizard. Gbpusd, we have discussed already. Please catch CHF. How many pips this week so far? We have already discussed this. Euro, dollar. Thank you for your free market insight. God will continue to bless you. Thank you for your okay. Virun says, sir, I want to learn Forex from you as a BIP student. Please help me out, sir. Virun, thank you. I think that will be the one of the best decision you will make. Go to the description of this video and join today. It's the best time to join. See, if you are losing money in trading, or if you are a new trader, look, go to the description area, then go to visit my website, see the price I put. It's nothing in comparison with the value it brings. Rather than losing money, I'll say that learn the proper way and also receive the trade signal. That's suggestion I can give. The rest is up to you. As I have gone through this journey, I know that you need a mentor. Okay, you need a mentor. But if you don't want to join, I respect. I love all of you. That's why I keep this free channel to give free education. But at the same time, I have to keep something specially reserved for VIP students, as they are paying. That is the only thing. Otherwise, I'm trying to help you as much as you can. I want to ask how much fundamental analysis is important and how we can learn it. Said that. Okay. We don't ask. I want to ask how much fundamental analysis is important and how we can learn it. Okay. Viva Kumar, very good question. Let me tell you one thing, Viva. Okay, look, fundamental. I saw many gurus on social media, YouTube, many places says learn, a microeconomics. Trust me, when I started trading by listening this from a guru I was following, and he was saying that, okay, learn fundamental. Okay, and then what I did, he recommended a book, many things. So I bought that fundamental book. I learned the macroeconomics. I spent a lot of time. I didn't understand anything. Okay, and then I realized, what are you gonna do? Is it possible to understand fundamental? Now let me tell you, the real trader, those are I traded with some very, very great traders around the world. Let me tell you this puzzle, how you solve the puzzle of fundamental. First of all, see, let's say Australian economy, okay? Australian economy, mainly what they do, they export a lot of agricultural product, okay? Chinese economy, what it depends on, okay? Fully export. Again, let's say some other economy, every economy I don't know, but some country depend the major economy based on import, some export. So based on what kind of economic strength you have, it will impact the interest rate increase, decrease. It will impact completely different ways. What do I mean by this? Let me make it clear, easy for you. Let's say a country, Australia recently increased the interest rate. You see, point, I think some percentage. See, couple of, a year ago or more than, this is a good example from Australian dollar. Now I can say you. See, a couple of years ago, Australian dollar, like Australia has 0% interest rate in mortgage and everything, okay? Now they increase the interest rate, okay? But do you see Australian dollar started to be bullish? No, it's still bearish. All the time it's bearish. So interest rate increase, changing fundamental will not, how it will impact, I will not say that it will not impact, it will impact, but how it will impact is not possible for us as a retail trader. So how do you then understand the fundamental? See, the only way we can trade fundamental is the news release. So when news released, we get a candle that has a volume, okay? We get a price action confirmation that we can trade, okay? That is only way you can trade fundamental. See, GBP data, job data, that doesn't change the direction of the trend. Let me show you an example. See, what I'm telling you is fact and information, okay? Then tell me I'm saying wrong or right, okay? Look at this one here. Let me show you something. Let's say USD CAD, okay? Let me show you something. This is the daily chart. Now, if I show you the chart from here to there, okay? Look at this one here. Let's say from here to there. You see, this is the daily chart. It's a nice looking upward channel, okay? It's a uptrending channel, nice looking. Now look at this here. This bottom is, the date is bottom in 21st of October 2021. What a synchronicity. Have you seen the date? 2121. What a synchronicity. 21st of October 2021. This is the point, okay? Now look at this. The price went above, came down, went above, came down, went above, came down, now went above, now preparing for coming down, right? So how many news so far has been released along this line? Did that change the trend? The trend is predictable, right? When the price hitting this support, the buyers buying. When the price hitting this resistance, the seller is selling. Simple, right? So why, how you know that how many news has been released? Didn't change the trend. Its trend is in the direction it's going. So you don't need fundamental to trade the market for the short term, okay? Long term, if you are investing for 5 years, 10 years, then you need. The institutional trader, bank, they use fundamental, okay? Because their investment is huge, okay? That will definitely impact. But as a retail trader, we don't need fundamental. You need to be very good at understanding the price action, okay? Now let me give you an example. I'll release a video this weekend about this. Let me show you one example, okay? Look at this. You see this one is Euro CHF. Okay, this is a strongly falling market. Look at this one here. This is a very strong bearish engulfer. Okay, to trade this bearish engulfer, do you need fundamental? Not at all. You can see it's a bearish engulfer in the direction of the trend in a very important area of value. Sell it from here. Okay, sell. Forget about fundamentals. Sell from here. Keep it stop loss above this high. Now see what happened. Sell, let's say 1 to 3 rigs to reward, or 4, let's say 3.5 rigs to reward. Now sell. Okay, you see what happened. If you take your profit target to up to 7-8 times, you can take it, right? Then why do you need fundamental? You need to understand the price action. Fundamental will confuse you, nothing will give you but confusing you. Instead, you might give up. You say that, oh, I don't understand fundamentals, so let's give up trading. Ronald, good morning. No problem, Ronald. Varun, Gbpusd, you look at it. Please have a review on EU and UJ. So let me look at EU and euro dollar and dollar yen, how they are doing. Let's see euro dollar. Okay, looks like that at the end of the day, euro dollar coming down. The whole week the price was in a sideways. Okay, and you have seen my weekly forex forecast. Exactly that is what mentioned. We saw that the price crossed this high. Now coming down, I think that euro dollar, let me see the daily, this is still sideways. We could see a little bit of drop later today. If this one closes as a bearish engulfer, pardon me, we could see 1 or 2 candle down today. Okay, so euro dollar it's basically a sideways, but I will not pick euro dollar as my trade. Okay, I will tell you what is my trade. Okay, so let first this session to be progress, and then I'll tell you what is my trade. Let me look at, okay, so Gbpusd. All right, Gbpusd also it's in a sideways market, guys. Okay, I will not be trading Gbpusd. I will not be trading euro dollar. You see, this is a very choppy market. If you trade this market, you will lose money. Always look for the market that is clean and clear direction. Eurojpy giving us nice trading opportunity. Okay, Eurojpy looks to me, okay, if this one closes as a pin bar, okay, Euro NZD also bearish. The way Euro NZD, we are running a trade already. Okay, we are in profit. As I told you, if you want to join our VIP team, I will suggest you to go to the description area. That could be a rare opportunity for you. Now Eurojpy, if this one closes as a pin bar, if everything is all right, we will be adding one more position on euro, because what I think, let me give you a full analysis on Eurojpy. This is the monthly candle, right? Over the long term, Eurojpy is already overextended to the upside. Okay, starting with this one here, you see there is a strong bullish candle on the monthly. It's a very long bullish candle. There is a long wick at the bottom, long wick at the top, followed by quite a few green candles. Okay, and then what happened, the next one on the week. So let me first finish monthly. So now the price is at the top. I think that it will come down further. Okay, we could see a reversal on Eurojpy. Weekly, guys, we saw that the previous week's high has not been broken. The price just bounced from exactly the same level as previous. So we see that Eurojpy is coming, rejecting from the top. Now going to the daily, you see the price has created a nice doji here. This is a reversal doji. Okay, so with that doji, we have seen that EuroJPY today, as soon as the market opened, we have seen a little bit of uprise. Now the price is coming down. So what I think that EuroJPY will do, I think this is the weekly candle, right? Okay, so there could be, let me see what's happening. Daily. Okay, one thing remaining is that you see there is a doji here. Okay, there is a doji. Now the price didn't test this doji. Okay, let me see on the 4 hour now. Okay, so I think that EuroJPY could have a drop. Okay, could have a drop. Let's see how this candle is closing. If this one close pardon me guys, closes as a doji, we could see a potential drop on EuroJPY. But there is a possibility next week again the price to go up again to test this one. But finally we could see a reversal. Now this reversal could be from here, okay, or could be going up and from here, depending on how the price action is forming. But to me, it is now a bearish price action, unless if if it closes as we are expecting. The Euro NZD all European looks like bearish. Euro NZD, this one we are running, and I think that it will continue to drop. Hopefully it will do the same. Okay, so Euro JPY pardon me, Euro NZD, Euro GBP, Euro CHF is strongly bearish, already broke down. Let's see what happened. Euro CAD in a sideway. Euro AUD also showing bearish price action. Okay, so let me see what you guys and girls are up to. So Trolley asked, hello sir, good day. Aussie yen and AUD NZD is still going down. We'll look at it. I haven't hit my TP yet. Okay, very good. Let me see. Chiditu, GBP JPY sir, what's your take? Okay, GBP JPY we will look at again. We already have looked at it. Jakub, I have been trading business since 2018. Now I can tell who is. Jakub, he is our VIP student. He says very nice things to us. I have been in trading business since 2018. See, the people who experience, they actually understand who is true mentor and who is not. See, he understands the market. I know that most of you are new, maybe not understanding the market. That's why you actually don't sometimes know who is real mentor and who is not, and that is people take your advantage sometime. But I'm a real trader, as I told you. So you see that Jakub, thank you Jakub for mentioning it. He's a very experienced, and he joined and he knows that what I'm telling he is clearly understanding. Thank you Jakub. Abidun Garibal CHF JPY sir, yep, we'll look at it. Harsh Patel sir, can I make 1500 with 1 month? So I don't understand what this question is. There any selling opportunity on USD CNHs double top removed from weekly? Sachin says, is there any selling opportunity on USD CNHs? Let me look at USD CNHs. This pair sometimes I like, because it sometimes give very good trading opportunity. USD CNHs, looking at the daily, USD CNHs recently going in a sideways. That's why I'm not trading. Let me look at the weekly. Okay, so USD CNHs, to be honest, it's not a good price action for trading at the moment. Let the monthly candle close. I think that it will basically be in a sideways for a couple of more times, and then it might show the direction. At the point, I actually will not trade USD CNHs. I think it will continue to go in a sideways. So I saw that USD ZAR was giving a nice trading opportunity to go. USD looks like that. Going to the weekly, okay, looks like that USD giving us some bearish price action. Okay, we saw that this is the 4-hour candle. After the past 4-hour doji, this 4-hour the price created a bearish engulfer. Okay, now this is the last day of trading week, and what we see that you see USD basically has broken out of this triangular pattern. Now this is overall a bullish pattern, guys. Keep in mind, this is overall a bullish pattern. Normally after this kind of pattern, the price create a fake out and then continue to trend to the upside. Okay, that's why I'll not trade at the moment. Looks like that giving us bearish price action, but keep it aside. USD at the moment, if you're trading on the lower time frame, it's different, because overall it's a bullish market. So what I think that USD could do, it could come down somewhere here and then will create another bullish pattern. So when it will do a bullish pattern, then we will be trading. So Chiditu says, how can someone chat you privately, sir? So you can go to my website. There is a live chat option. I have my assistants will receive the message, but if you are if you tell my name, you can ask me. And also there is a Telegram chat option in the website where you can chat with me live. Okay, or I can give you my Telegram username. This is my Telegram username. If you anyone want to live chat with me on Telegram, you can use this username to text me if you want to ask any question directly to me. Can we master gold chart? Yeah, please explain. Mayan ask for gold chart. Okay, good afternoon from Amsterdam. Can you please check Eurusdjpy? Thanks a lot. God bless you more so you can help a lot people like us. Thank you, Victor. Yeah, of course, we'll look at it. Eurusdjpy we already discussed it. So let's look at gold, what's happening. Okay, now gold, after the weekly bearish engulfer, we see that the price is continuing to drop. Now at this point, if we see that we need to see a nice bearish engulfer, okay, in this zone, then we can say that gold could continue to drop. Okay, it's bearish. As you see that the price just tested this 20 period moving average, and this is, guys, a nice bearish price action. So if this one closes like it needs to pass this one completely along with a bearish engulfer, then we can sell gold somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here at the gold, this 4-hour candle will close almost 1.5 hours from now. So after closing, that time we will not be in this live session, but if you wanna see, we could go short with gold. Okay, if you wanna get that signal, I will suggest you to go to the VIP Telegram channel. Visit my website. Okay, and then you can receive some of the trade that we are trading at the moment. Okay, so I will suggest you to check it out to see how we will be trading gold. Now let me look at, so gold is bearish so far, but let this candle close. At any point it could reverse, isn't it? Gold does like this, but the way the price action is formed, it's highly bearish price action at the moment. If it continue to drop, see, normally the price does like this. When it drops, gold sometimes does like this. Okay, it could drop a lot, and that's what I'm expecting for the gold to drop. Let's see what happened. Kushi Pereira, hi, I want to join BIP. Can I still join by using broker link and deposit money? Kushi Pereira, the offer is gone, so you need to join by website via payment, using the payment method. Chedrick Wizard, what is your take on Euro AUD? So Euro looks like bearish, but AUD, let me look at Euro AUD. I'll look at it more like fundamental analysis. Yeah, I think a trader can analyze fundamental from charts. Mayank, no. Pardon me, I'm still uh, 1 second. I need to take a break for 30 seconds, then I'll tell you. Okay, so for the fundamental, you can't analyze fundamental from chart, no, because fundamental is some data you can't know from the chart. Okay, John says, John Jane agree, fundamental show up in the charts regardless. Okay, GBP USD sold from 1.23. GBP USD, I have no idea because it could go up or down. But because if gold drops, GBP USD also drops. Normally, this is what happened. It could drop. Okay, bias is bearish, but it's in a sideways still. Aaron Miller, okay, sir, GBP USD Qasim Reza. So let me see Qasim Raja, AUD USD. Didn't hit Eurusd. Okay, very good. So Aussie dollar currently, what it is doing is it is just going up and down. Okay, Chadrick, Euro AUD, please. Wizard. Okay, look at Euro AUD. Okay, look at Euro AUD bearish. Okay, Euro AUD currently looks like that it will continue to drop. Euro AUD. If you look at the weekly, we see that there is a weekly back-to-back 3 weeks rise. This is the monthly resistance that I have drawn. This is the monthly support on Euro AUD. This is the resistance, and from this zone we could see a rejection. Okay, not a long-term drop. Euro AUD, see on the daily there is a doji, so we could see drop possibly to the zone. That can give us a good trade, isn't it? Euro AUD looks like that. It's yesterday when this was closing, you remember that I told that Euro AUD looks like that will create a head and shoulder and then will drop. But as I told you, still you can't guarantee because the price is still not closed, so it could rise from here even. So what I want, Euro AUD first close below as a bearish engulfer. Okay, and then will continue to drop, then we will sell Euro AUD. Okay, so rather better is Euro JPY, Euro NZD. We are on a trade on Euro NZD. Euro dollar also looks like bearish. Okay, in a sideway, but comparatively bearish. Euro CHF is strongly bearish. Gold bearish. Okay, so let's see what you guys and girls are up to. CHF JPY, please. Okay, look at CHF JPY. Okay, all right, CHF JPY after the previous hours, this one is nice bullish candle. Okay, CHF is very strong now and JPY is the weakest, so CHF JPY is strongly bullish. Okay, so going to the daily, the price came for retracement, but I think that it will now continue to rise. Okay, CHF JPY previous 4 hour has created a nice bullish candle. I love to trade this kind of bullish candle, and as a result, you see from this support we have seen a bullish candle. After 26 minutes, this one is closing. Now upon closing of this candle, what it might do, because it's weekend, we could see another candle coming down, probably testing this previous, you see, previous resistance here. Even next week early, you see this is a previous resistance here as a support. So whatever the situation, after this candle we could see one more candle coming a little bit of down, and that time it can be bought CHF JPY. CHF is strong, JPY is weak, so it's a good combination to go long with CHF JPY. But if you look at the weekly, the price already, okay, this is nice things. You see, the previous week we had a candle that is showing a very strong bullish price action. You see that candle closed the previous one completely this dodgy and closed as a bullish candle, followed by this week is almost close. Looks like that it's still didn't move further. So CHF JPY is very bullish. It could close here and next week even could open with a gap and could continue to rise. So it's a bullish market. There's nothing we can say about it. It's a bullish market, guys. Okay, let me see what you guys are girls up to. RK updated Euro USD Euro CAD issue. So what about dollar index? Okay, so let me look at dollar index. Do you have a trade of the day? Is it gold bearish? I will tell you trade of the day. So what I decided every day before I closing this live session, I will announce a trade of the day, and then I will close the I will tell you the direction, and then I will finish the live stream. That will help you. So I will pick one trade that I will think that will go up or down, and then we'll close the live stream. That will help you in your trading. I think that so let me see what trade we have now. Before I finishing the live stream, I will let you know which trade I think will be suitable. Now CHF looks very strong. Aussie yen. Okay, so gold so far convincingly bearish. Let me see the news release. I think we don't have any more news release this week. Forex factory. Why you are checking my browser? Okay, so gold looks like very bearish. You see that there is a resistance. Let me draw this one here. This resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Tested as a support, tested this 20 period moving average, and we saw that has created this nice candlestick pattern. So it's a nice bearish price action, guys. Looks like that bearish, but still there is a long time to go. Okay, let's first this one close, and then we'll see how it will do. But if we look at the calendar for the news announcement for this week, we don't have any more news. So this one is done. No more news list. Next week Wednesday we have, then is Tuesday night on CB conference. So it will affect the euro and the USD. Okay, so euro USD next week news. That's why it's moving in a sideway. So let me look at what you guys and girls. So UV says, I think what you are doing is very good, giving back and helping people cannot afford your course right now. I'm sure you will be blessed. Watch every morning while I have my tea. Have a great day. Thank you, YV. I appreciate that. You may not have affordability to join VIP. No problem. Stay with the YouTube channel. I'm trying to help everyone as much as I can. I'm sure that you will find a lot of value in this channel from this live stream, from this YouTube channel. I have created this to help people. I never think of money. Okay, that's why, as I told you, the price I put is a very little. But at the same time, I spend my time. I have a lot of a big team working behind this academy. I need to pay for them as well. So when people spend time, uh, the money, you need to spend money to help people. That's normal. No one will work for me from their pocket, right? Let's say I have to pay a lot of bills, a lot of people who are managing this team, managing the website, you know managing the YouTube channel, managing the Instagram, Facebook, social media, editing the content. So I have to pay for them, and also I need to regularly keep updating, and I spend full time beside my trading preparing content, thinking about it. So I need my time to be invested there. So that's why I need to charge a money, but I didn't charge to get rich, because I am already rich. I don't need money from my student to be rich, but I need to cover so that I can bring a quality to the students. Okay, so that is why I need to charge. But if you cannot pay, that's completely fine. I love you, and I will continue to love you. Okay, thank you for staying with this. Hello, can someone pay by installment to join VIP group, Brandon? I don't think you don't have to pay by installment. Go to the website, you see there's a very little price. Can you please check silver? Yeah, of course. Swapnil, Lipara, Nasdaq 100. Yeah, sure. Any possible trading opportunities are right now? I will tell you what trade opportunity will come. TQWiki, any discount for students to join VIP membership? TQWiki, there is a discount going on. You can visit the website. So it is going to end soon. Gbpusd could buy one. Okay, Gbpusd, Adam, I don't recommend to buy. Let's see what happened. Madhu, dollar yen analysis, please. Dollar yen. Let me look at dollar yen. Okay, so dollar yen, we already closed our profit yesterday on dollar yen. You see that yesterday we have secured our profit on dollar yen. So I need to show who you wanna join our channel. So this is the dollar yen trade. We have entered here, closed our profit here, full profit yesterday. Okay, so now at this point, dollar yen, what it is doing is, let me look at the daily time frame. Okay, let me look at daily. All right, I think that it will drop further because it's on the weekly support. So drop further means may not drop directly from here now, or could drop, but it's a long-term bullish. Already the price dropped. So when it was dropping, see, when you see a very strongly bullish market, you need to sell from a very important place. Let's say when this doji was forming, you remember when I was doing the live stream, what did I say? That dollar yen is likely to drop. So that is what I know, that after this doji we might see 1 or 2 candle drop. That's why I put a tight stop loss and take profit target. We took it out, but at this point I'm still not sure either it will break down or it will go for a further bigger retracement and will come down. But looks like that slowly it will come for a bigger retracement to the downside. But at this point I don't have any signal on dollar yen. Okay, so at this point the trade that I am seeing is looks like that gold could be bearish. Okay, though this is weekend, so you have to be very cautious when you are trading. AUD NZD also we secured our profit. Aussie dollar looks like that it's going in a sideways. Looks like that euro is getting a bit weaker. Okay, still don't know what could do, especially Euro CHF is crazily bearish from very long time. Okay, so Swiss franc is getting very strong. Okay, now USD CHF, guys, okay, you see it has broken all the level of support. Now USD CHF, after this candle close, let me tell you what it could happen. This is 15 minutes later, this candle is closing USD CHF. Okay, if this one, next one, create a narrow doji like that, I will be selling immediately from here for one more candle for this week, and will take profit quickly from it. So I will send that trade signal to our Gbpusd students as well. So if you want to receive that, I'll suggest you visit my website, link in the description. So now I'm almost at the end of the live session, guys and girls. Let me now pick a trade that I will say that this will be the trade of the day for me. The direction, I will give you a possible direction, and because I need the candle to be closed, and then if I see that trade giving exactly what I am looking for as per the strategy, then I will send the signal to the VIP channel. So let me look at what trade I think that could happen today. Okay, so looks like gold is bearish. That means the dollar might get stronger. In that case, yeah, looks like that. So, okay, euro dollar also has created a bearish price action. Let me look at what's happening with the euro dollar. This is the daily candlestick chart price action. There is no way to go up weekly. Okay, so euro dollar looks like bearish. Okay, euro dollar has created a nice bearish price action with a double top here from this resistance. Let me pick euro dollar. Okay, so for me the trade of the day will be two, is euro dollar and AUD and ZD. Now I have shortlisted euro dollar and euro dollar and gold. Okay, so these two trade will be the trade of the day, and now I have shortlisted. I will be watching them until the candle close. So looks like that euro dollar will drop to the downside from this resistance, and gold, after the candle close, if I see that it has created a bearish price action, bearish engulfing pattern, it can be sold with a pending order somewhere here, keeping a stop loss above, take profit with a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so these are the two trades. Now I'll be actively watching until the candle close. If I see proper candlestick close according to the rules of our strategy, then I will be going short on both of them. So that's it. If you wanna join, if you wanna receive exact entry, stop loss and take profit, you can visit the website, link in the description area. You can join our VIP channel. This is it, guys. I sincerely believe that you guys and girls enjoyed this live trading session. You see, I tried to give you as much value as possible. Thank you for joining this live session, and also thank you for subscribing, staying with this Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And every day, 5 days a week, I do the live streaming. Tomorrow I will be releasing my weekly Forex forecast, and also this week I'll try to release some other new educational content and also trading psychology video. Keep eye and watch them. It will really help you in your trading. Thank you. I'll see you soon tomorrow. tomorrow, and every day, every moment. Much love. Don't forget to like and subscribe.